Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the metal. Scrape and sand to bare metal, then wipe with solvent so the epoxy bonds. Measure equal parts resin and hardener, use a disposable cup with clear markings, 1:1 by volume, and combine them immediately. Once mixed, stir steadily for about 30 to 60 seconds until the color is uniform. This prevents weak spots. Make sure to avoid whipping air into the mix. Now you have a working batch. Move quickly, because working time is limited. You apply the mixed quick steel while it's still tacky. Press it firmly into cracks and voids so it contacts the whole surface. Once done, shape the repair with a metal spatula or putty knife. Push in excess, then trim to roughly final contour. For thicker repairs, build in 2 to 3 mm layers, allowing partial cure between layers to avoid sagging. Make sure to texture or tool the surface if you plan to sand or paint. This enhances mechanical adhesion and yields a seam. You let the repair cure at the temperature specified. Room temperature cures slower, while warmth accelerates strength gain. Once cured, sand starting with 120 grit and progress to 320, then 600 for a smooth finish. Prime before painting to seal. If a joint shows poor adhesion, first remove loose material, roughen the area, clean thoroughly, and reapply mixed epoxy. Make sure to verify mix ratio and ambient temperature next time. Incorrect proportion or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.